We'll say that again, dog.
Nah, nigga. No car girls around here.
You know, at Harley, we're about to get it. Got some drifting going on, dog.
Fucking bullshit, nigga.
Gonna try this new GoPro 7 out, you know? Get it in, bruh. With this dude. Got my dog, Barboza, coming through with that hot sauce, dog. You know? I like it. I like it a lot.
Occupant sensor.
Boom.
Got going on here, boy.
I don't know what this is.
It's time to do research.
All right, explain to everybody what the fuck's going on in here.
All right, so got this super sweet ballin' GT30 71 by Garrett. You know, try to get the best of the best, but it's kind of blown up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this shitty GT35 back on for now. That's a little destroyed as well too, but it'll work till I can upgrade. You know, like next week or so. You know, just trying to get my car running. Maybe do a little drift hang tomorrow.
And it stopped, or the video?
No, it's still going.
Word, my bad. My bad.
It'd be like that.
You cut it.
Cut. No, let me stop.
No, there's the screen turned off and shit.
Yeah, it's still recording. But yeah, I think I might go and do some sliding tomorrow. Test her out the GT35 and take this thing apart. I'm saddened.
Word, but show these folks how you do it then.
You know?
Put it up.
Early in the morning, gotta move though. Nigga hit me on the celly, need like 2 O's. Tell her wake the fuck up, gotta move though. Now she looking at me, want a cool mo. Tell her what the slimy in your 2 dough. Nigga hit me back, say he gotta move on. Now she here trying to get a groove on. To the money, you know I gotta move on.
Ain't no much to say, shorty take her abs in the face. And every time I push it back, she started pulling the dreads. Angry fucker motherfucker say she down to do whatever. I don't even know la mama, never ever have I met her. Niggas hit her up and she ain't stressing it. Hang it up, hit me up, talk about what's happening. Got me on that laughing shit, shorty nothing but a freak. Thought she was a hater and she showed love to the king. Love of the king, for the love of the dream. Shorty mad as fuck, but she fucking with me. All up in the feelings, now she fucking up things. Told her get together or you fucking your dreams. She in love with the king, for the love of the dream. Shorty mad as fuck, but she fucking with me.
Yeah.
All up in the feelings, now she fucking up things.
But
told her
the
get
truth.
together cause you fucking your dream.
Early in the morning, gotta swerve though. Bad bitch with the glasses, she a nerd hoe. Pull her with the fuck up, gotta work mode. Now she looking at me, she wanna flirt mode. Told her got the 2 O's, he said he wanted. She staging, I'm debating, but I know she frontin'. I try to tell her hurry up, you know he comin'. I'm trying to get the ride, sliding the money.
Cranking up too early, man. Bitch, you sliding, chilling up in her shit. Shorty said she got me. Couple pit stops, smoke guap for the pocket. Last stick in Cumberland, just to pick up 8 bands. Say we waiting for the drove man.
I'm sliding in the whip, nigga, no tint, so focused. About to pull up at the corner store like, oh shit. Swerved and parked next to some car, look what I noticed. Yo.
What it do, man?
Shit, I got that 2 O's of that loud,
Alright.
man. You got the cash right?
Nigga, the cash right, is that loud?
Hell
Got the
yeah,
crusty
it's that loud, nigga.
What the
GT
fuck
35
that
on.
bitch do to your
About to
car?
crank this thing up.
Nah, bitch, I
Let
fuck
her
with you
ride.
first.
Fuck you doing
Man,
in
fuck
his
both of y'all.
Nah, fuck you too, bitch.
Well, she's back together. Little girlfriend helped tonight, you know. First time she came out and did work all night with me. You already know. Alright. I'm good with that for now. I'm gonna let her run, make